We begin this segment with a primetime news follow-up. The Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, JSPCA, says 4 of the 5 known dogs that attacked 5-year-old Michaeli Allen in St. Ann 2 weeks ago have been put down. Managing Director of the JSPCA, Pamela Lawson, said the dogs believed to be the most dangerous have also been captured.
Well, the dogs that we have had that we collected from last week, and we went back down on Saturday. These animals have now been euthanized. We did get approval from the superintendent that we may go ahead and proceed. It was hard to keep them for so long. We actually had a jailbreak the other morning. 2 of them did cut through 2 kennels and get out.
So how many of them have been put down?
4 in total.
And are there any outstanding?
We have received a report that one of the main animals we were trying to capture, that he has now been caught. So we're trying to make arrangements as to getting in.
Michaeli Allen is said to be recuperating in a U.S. hospital after undergoing surgery recently.